The SY Freedom Fargo is a beautiful example of innovative yacht design. Purchased in the Caribbean by her captain Alf, she was able to prove her seaworthiness by making a sailing trip halfway around the world, from the Caribbean and the entire Pacific Ocean. The commodious cockpit provides a spot for up to 10 people to enjoy the view of the sea or to listen to music from the cockpit speakers. She can sleep up to 4 guests in the comfortable double cabins. For day trips, the SY Freedom Fargo can hold up to 20 guests. This sailing yacht ventures to An Thong National Park for a several-day cruise, where a whole different side of Thailand can be witnessed. On the Freedom Fargo, you will enjoy the comfort that the captain and the crew have years of knowledge navigating the seas of Thailand. Welcome aboard the Freedom Fargo.